Descaling is an important but easy process for keeping the single-serve parts of your coffee center barista bar working their best. First, remove the charcoal water filter from the single-serve water reservoir and fill with 13 ounces of white vinegar and 26 ounces of water. Place a 16-ounce mug under the single-serve coffee dispenser with a steam wand in the mug. If the clean indicator is not already illuminated, simultaneously press the Start-Stop dial and Clean button on the control panel. The clean indicator will appear on the control panel. Turn the Start-Stop dial until Espresso and Pod are illuminated on the control panel. Then press Start-Stop to begin the process. The water-vinegar mixture will fill the mug. After the descaling cycle ends, discard the water-vinegar mixture. Replace the mug. Press Start-Stop to descale the steam wand. Repeat until Add Water lights up on the control panel, and then repeat the entire process with fresh water to remove residual vinegar.